Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I am sharing with you some items that I will be using, some material. I will be using this for a simple DIY inside of this wooden box shaped as a house. Now the interior of this box is already black, so that is great and I will leave it that way, but I also have some decorative paper that I am in between. I'm still debating whether I use this paper here. I was looking through here. This pad I got at Michael's for a really low price a few months ago, and it was like about $4.98. I couldn't believe it, and it is reversible too. So you got both sides, different patterns. So I did choose this one and this paper here. So I'm planning to use these little cards that I got from a game. I'm going to cover them up with this paper that you see here. I'm probably going to make some type of door effect with these two. So I have a picture here which is from these sheets that I got at the thrift store. So I have doubles of these. See? So I've chosen the wedding couple for my DIY. So I will be back once it's all done. I hope that you stay tuned. And thank you so much for watching.